The Bubba.
Yeah.
We're headed to Mississippi to get these machines. That one machine. You got your machine thing on?
Not yet.
Charge my phone. Good afternoon, everyone. We're out and running again. Again. But don't have to do no sleep study.
Well, you will at home, you said.
Yeah, at home better.
Yeah, I think so. We'll be back, Bubba.
220022. What's that say? Outage. Oh, it's outside at 76.
Okay.
All right. Let's see how much gas is Mississippi.
Do we have a full tank or just part?
We have a half.
Oh, okay.
We'll go fill it one more time. How's everybody? Oh, it's beautiful. Crunch.
There you go again.
Crunch.
Bubba don't like when his mama and daddy
Oh
leave.
no, he does not like when we leave.
He don't want to go, but he don't like it when we leave.
Hold on a minute. Let me see if I got the volume turned up.
How would you know?
I don't know.